Hi guys, I'm Jacqueline and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really cool text effect using Photoshop. You can use this to make logos or just add flares to any old text that you create. It looks really cool, and you can also do it with shapes and stuff, so it's not limited to just text. But the first step you want to do is create a new file in Photoshop. So we're going to go up to File, New. Then you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Text Effect. And then you want to make sure your width is set to 800 and height 600. And that's in pixels. And then hit OK. Now you want to select your Paint Bucket tool. That's under the Gradient tool. And then make sure that your background and foreground colors are set to black and white. And then we're going to change the canvas to black. Next, you want to select your text tool. Make sure the text color is set to white. And then you can pick whatever font you want. I'm using Cracked for this. And then you can type out whatever words you want to use. Then grab your Move tool and make sure that the text is centered on the canvas. Now afterwards, you want to go up to Filter, Stylize, and Wind. It's going to ask you if you want to rasterize it. Hit OK. And then once the Wind menu comes up, just hit OK again. Now, after that, you want to hit Command F 3 times. That'll drag out the wind effect. And now you want to repeat that same process. But when the Wind menu comes up, you want to change the direction to left instead of right and hit OK. Then we're going to hit Command F again. Now after that's done, we're going to want to rotate the canvas. So we'll go to Image, Image Rotation, and then 90 degrees clockwise. After that, we want to use the filter again. So Stylize Wind, and then OK. And then we'll hit Command F. And then we'll do the same thing again. But this time, now you just want to change the direction back to right and hit OK. Then hit Command F 3 times. Now after you do this, you want to move the canvas back to normal. So we'll go to Image, Image Rotation, and then 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now once you've rotated your canvas back to normal, we want to select the Text tool again. And this time we want to change the color from white. And you can pick any color you desire, really. I'm going to go with like a purplish color. Then hit OK. And then you want to type out the same text you used before. Grab your Move tool and then line it up with the original text so it's centered. And now after you do that, you want to select your background layer and the original text layer. Right click, and we're going to merge those layers together. After you do that, we want to create a new layer. So we'll go to Layer, New. And you want to make sure, and we'll name that layer Gradient. Then hit OK. Then you want to make sure the layer is in between the 2 original layers, and then we are going to turn off the visibility of the background and the new text layer so that the gradient layer is the only one visible. Then we're going to select our Gradient tool, and we'll go up and choose any gradient you like or create your own. I created my own for this one. Then you'll select the type of gradient you want. I'm just using linear, and then drag on your canvas how you want your gradient. Looks cool. And then you're going to turn the visibility of your background layer and your text layer back on. And you'll notice that the gradient layer covers the background, so we're going to change the blend mode of the gradient layer. We're going to change it from normal to overlay. And there you go. That's your cool text effect. You can do that with all kinds of different things. And here are some images of some other projects I've created that you could even try out yourself.